Hey guys, Ed here. In this quick video I'd like to show you how to replace your headlight bulbs in Chrysler Pacifica. So let's start. First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna pop the hood. So pull the latch, raise the hood up, find the latch, move it to the left and get the stand, put it in here. All right, so let's do this side first. So what we have to do to get to the headlight bulb, so headlight bulb is right here. This is gonna be the high beam and there's a turn signal, I believe. Yeah, so to get out the light, we have to spin this cap. Let me try to put it in this hand. Spin it, get this thing out. After that we have a bulb. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna just spin it like this and get it out. Okay, after that we have to find the exact other bulb. This one I believe is H11 size. Okay, how do we remove it from the connector? You will, using two hands, you will take these. As you can see on both sides there's one and another like pins. So you move them aside and then you just pull off the bulb. It just pulls off. Okay, get the new bulb at the parts store or online or whatever is comfortable for you. And same way, just click it back in. Find the correct position, because you have to find the sweet spot to get it in. Otherwise it's not gonna go in correctly. And then just, okay, now I found it. And once it's in, you have to like press on it, just spin it in like this. Okay, once it has to, it doesn't have to be loose. Okay, it has to be really tight. So this one is very tight, as you can see. Get the cap again and close it with this lid. Find the sweet spot and spin it, close it. Right, that's it. There's another cap right here, and there's a bulb, I believe a bulb over here also, and the turn signal is over here. It's on the bottom here. Okay, this side is a little bit more complicated, but again, you can move this thing away and get your hand inside here, or like get your hand from here, okay, and get the cap out. Just get this plastic out of the way. If you can't manage it, in this case you're just gonna take a 10mm wrench or a socket with a ratchet, remove this screw, this bolt. You're gonna take it out. After that you will be able to either move your filler neck to the side or just pull on the filler neck. It's gonna just come out. And then you'll have a lot of space to get your hand in and do the same procedure like we did over there. Okay guys, so this is it. I hope it helps. If it does, please press like button. Have a great day. Bye.